Jews and Biafra Unite. This is another group that is coming up.
Yes, this.
So like
TTG here. This is another group.
Yeah, another group.
I feel that two of them are working together.
I'm telling you, TTG here is one of their members. Go to comment section. There's a comment here, someone that said that this TTG.
Yes.
Okay, Kere and Ngozi has sold Simon Ekpa and sell the struggle to Igbo positions. None of them is fighting for Biafra. Why none of them is talking about protest for Simon Ekpa? Protest. That is what that drama is using now to cheat them. You understand? Hello?
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Continue, my brother.
Okay. Okay,
we're welcome. You're welcome, my brother. Give me.
Meeting Ada Ramana Urumejus.
Okay.
Fight this government because you know the fight this government. Why hope the voice note?
Yeah.
So this government down. So see, president can be to know this woman one kind eyes. On the process, I guess PM now follow back. That is where the whole issue starts. Because I'm actually the change that I say no,
yes.
So unfortunately to them, they find the reason. I understand. I can follow back. And on social media, they should stop. And lobbyists will stop attacking the lobbyists. But here I have now. They should fall back. That is my question. What I keep asking people.
Well on the family, my brother.
What on the happen? Imagine Biafra Liberation Army terrorist. Imagine. Imagine attack guy terrorist. Why now when you terrorist? Check in that country, my brother. So we are the problem of ourselves.
Yeah.
Imagine. The thing that will make it and go unsubscribe, you understand? I didn't make it that rubbish because anything every day I keep listening. They think keep busting my brain. Imagine no Johnny I'm if from Kai post was it yesterday? You're going to Indian game recruit imagine you mad game upon your. Is it because of you debate, you don't want to be in the government again, that you start talking about trying all means possible to bring the government down? It's not normal now. Sometimes.
My brother, everybody were right. He for sure. Man, if in majority queer. So.
That's right. Open our choice in the government to cascade the government, to try all means possible to bring the government down. Which rubbish is that? Who does that?
Thank you, my brother.
This is very annoying, bro.
It's annoying. It's annoying. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, my brother. So that is our brother there. And please, we are gonna end this broadcast now. I'm sorry about it. We will continue again. I will be on one of my brothers' platform, Ezokona, Son Official. So I will be in his platform this evening. Hopefully, if I did not make it there, then we are gonna come back again to continue from where we stopped. So please make sure you like this video before you go. And hello.